Hello eyebrow lovers, thank you for watching. My name is Manouk and I'm the founder of Supercilium. Barbie is a super pro, so Barbie is going to answer the questions we get the most from our clients. We always try to respond, but it is easier to make a video about it. Let's get started.
Yay! Let's do this! As a loyal user and eyebrow expert, now I'm gonna walk you through my own way on how to do eyebrow hennas. The first thing that we're gonna use is the botanical cleanser, and this is to remove any excess of makeup, dirt, and oil from the skin. The cleaner the skin, the better the results. Step 2, now we're gonna use our henna that is already pre-mixed, 1 part of the eyebrow powder. So after we clean the skin, we're gonna proceed and use concealer or Vaseline to create a barrier in between the brows so the henna doesn't spread on the skin. Now we're gonna stretch the skin, and we're going to apply a very small line of concealer under the brow. After you're done with the concealer, now we're gonna check everything is fine, and then we proceed with the henna application. Now when you apply the henna, make sure you follow the lines that you draw before. Now in patting motions, make sure the henna not only gets in between the hairs, but also on the skin. We have to make sure we do this part as fast as we can. Now with this Q-tip that is already pre-damped with a tint remover, we're going to clean and perfect the lines. Okay, 1 eyebrow down and 1 more to go. And now we're going to repeat the process on the right brow. Remember, do this part as fast and as clean as you can. Also, you have to make sure that the application is even. Uneven application can create patchy brows. And now with the clean of a Q-tip, we're going to perfect and clean the lines again. You can always go back and add more henna if you need to. Now after you're done with both brows, we have to wait about 10 to 15 minutes to wipe off the henna. After 5 minutes, we're going to wipe off the head of the brows to create an ombre look. 10 more minutes already passed, and now it's time to wipe off the whole eyebrow. You can either use a gauze, a cotton pad, or a Q-tip to do this part, but remember to be gentle with your client. Now I want you to use a mascara wand to exfoliate any excess of pigment that's left on the skin. If you see any stains left on the skin, I suggest you to always stretch and gently rub the area with a Q-tip or a cotton pad. So I'm sure that now you're wondering, what if my client's brows are too intense or too dark? One of my suggestions is to always go lighter and let it sit for less time. But you can always also grab a cotton pad and use her tint remover to tone down the color. The drier the skin, the better the results. On oily skin, however, since the skin tends to produce more sebum, it tends to fade the tint a little faster.